Students, today I am going to discuss question C, word problems of exercise 8.4. See, I am going to read the first question now. You all please look into your textbook. Question is, from a jug with 2 liter water, 1750 ml water was taken out. So what quantity of water in ml was left in the jug? See, let us understand first that what we are given. Children, you read the first line properly. What is given to you? From a jug with 2 liter water, means total quantity of water in a jug is 2 liter, and 2 liter means 2000 ml. 1 liter means 1000 ml, so 2 liter means 2000 ml. After that it is given water taken out. How much water taken out? From 2 liter water, 1750 ml water was taken out, and we are asked to find out what quantity of water in ml was left in the jug. So here we have to find out water left, and to find out the water left we need to subtract. What we have to subtract? Water taken out from the total quantity of water in a jug, right? So here you can see I have subtracted here 2000 ml minus 1750 ml. Subtraction is very simple. If you subtract these two numbers, you will get the answer 250 ml. Means what quantity of water left in the jug? Water left in the jug was 250 ml. Now coming to the second question. A doctor gave a cough syrup bottle to a patient. If the patient had to have 10 ml of syrup every day, then how much syrup did the patient consume in a week? See, what is given to you? If the patient had to have 10 ml of syrup every day, had to have means consume karna. In this question it is given patient consume the syrup every day 10 ml. Then we have to find out how much syrup did the patient consume in a week. A week means 7 days. 1 week means 7 days. So syrup consumed in 1 week. How much it will be? 10 ml into 7. That is 70 ml. Right? And now the last word problem. A cat laps up 250 ml of milk at one time. Laps up means drink karna. A cat laps up 250 ml of milk at one time. Then how many times can the cat be fed with 1.5 liter of milk? See, what is given to you? A cat laps up milk at one time. Means cat drink the milk at one time. How much? 250 ml. Total quantity of milk we have 1.5 liter. 1.5 liter means, see, 1 liter means 1000 ml and half liter means 500 ml. So 1000 plus 500, it will be 1500 ml. This is the total quantity of milk. And what we are asked to find out? We are asked to find out how many times can the cat be fed with 1.5 liter of milk. Means here we have to find out the number of times cat can be fed. So how will you find the number of times cat can be fed? You need to divide the total quantity of milk by the quantity of milk drink at a one time. Total quantity of milk is 1500 ml, and how much quantity of milk cat drink at one time? 250 ml. So let us divide. Children, here if you divide two numbers, this last zero will get cancelled with each other, right? And we left with 150 by 25 only. Now say the table of 25 till you get 150. See, 25 4s are 100, 25 5s are 125, and 25 6s are 150. So here the division comes 6. It means how many times cat can be fed with 1.5 liter of milk? 6 times cat can be fed with 1.5 liter of milk.